Hello everyone! Your Creamy Dog Fam is back. And we are here po to share paano nga ba pinopronounce ang pangalan ng magaganda naming aso. Ito po si Clover. Ang name po niya ay Clover. Ang ibig sabihin po ng Clover, yung 4-leaf clover po ay faith, hope, love, and luck. Kaya po si Clover ang aming 4-leaf clover in a form of a beautiful dog. Ito naman po si Moma. Sinasabi po ang name niya as Moma. Parang M-O-M-A. Bakit po ba Moma? Tapos ang spelling ay M-O-M-M-A. Moma po kasi is named after my beautiful mother who is now in heaven. Si mama ko po, kaya si Moma ay naging Moma. That's how you pronounce their names. Clover and Moma. Please say hi to us po pag nakita niyo kami. Clover and Moma will forever be here for you. Bye!